Are you looking for a job, but you haven't had any luck? Did you know that you don't have to have a job to make money? You could be overlooking the very thing that can turn your situation around. You may be one of those people that think that anything that's not a job is a scam. You may have lost your job due to government layoffs under Trump. Do you really think they're going to be hiring again anytime soon? Many people have exhausted the severance package and now they're using up their unemployment. If you somehow still have the mindset that you're going to find a job, you're really fooling yourself. And you have to do something different to get something different. Take a chance on checking out something different. But you don't have to have a job to make money. Just go to my website, truefreedomonline.com, and watch the video on the website and put your information in the form to learn more.